Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how is guys doing today? So we are going to make out this fine flower fabric with a top that will have a no neckline. So please stay tuned and watch this video down to the end. Please subscribe to my channel and share it for others to see. Let's dive in now. I will go ahead now to spread out my fabric like this. So this is a top, so we quickly do it. Very lovely top that we are going to achieve on this fabric. So let me see whether this side will be enough for the length that I need. So let's take it like this. So I'll fold it like this, and then I'll cut out the parts that I need now. I folded my fabric in 4 pieces. The front and the back is what I'm going to cut out at once. So I will go ahead now to take my length. So placing it, that is my tape from the upper part to get my length. My length that I'm having here is 25 inches. So that is my length, 25 inches. And then I'll go ahead to measure my neckline by 5 inches. And to bring down the neckline, 3 inches. Remember, it's canoe neck that I'm making. So that is it. So to mark out the back neck too, I will go ahead now to mark 1.5 inches. That's for the back neckline. And also take it like this to curve it. So now we are done with the neckline. So for the shoulder, I will go ahead now to mark my shoulder. My shoulder is 16 inches. That is 8 inches on our tape. So that is for the shoulder. And then I will also use my ruler to roll it down like this. So the next step now is to mark from the shoulder to get my chest line by 8 inches. That is for the chest line. So on this line, that is where I will place my tape to mark my bust. So it will not be too tight. What I mean, the bust is 36. The actual bust is 36, but I'm going to make it up to 42 inches. So that's my 42 inches. That is 10.5 inches, adding 2 inches on it for the sewing allowance. And on that line that I mark my chest line, that is 8 inches, I will place my tape to mark 2 inches also to get my armhole curve. And then using my ruler to curve it down like this. So that is it for the armhole. So to slope my shoulder also, I will go ahead now to place it on the upper part and mark ½ inch to slope the shoulder. So that is it. So I've done that too. So now from my shoulder again, I will place my tape to mark to my under bust 13 inches, and then I will place my tape to mark on that line to shape it a little bit. What I'm going to shape out there is 14 inches. That is 10 inches on my tape, adding 2 inches like this. So coming to the down part, I will also measure up to 44 inches. So we want it to be free, remember that, and then adding just 1 inch on it like this. So then we are done with our measurement. So I will just connect all my marks together. So from my bust, I'll mark to my under bust like this. That is to shape it out, connect the measurement together. So that's what I'm doing here now. So for the down part, I don't want it to be straight, remember that. So I'm going to mark 1 inch and then curve it using my curve roller to curve it like this. And then the measurement is done. So I hope you understand what we are doing here now. And if you don't understand, please watch this video again and please subscribe to my channel. So I'll go ahead now to cut it out now. So I will start from the back neckline where I marked 1.5 inches like this and cut it out. So after all of this, I will take it to the machine to go and stitch. So just watch this video to the end and see how we came to achieve all of these styles together. And if possible, have your fabric so that you can cut along with me like this and sew it so that you can wear it out. So you can also wear this kind of top for your jeans, for your skirt. So this is it now. So we have cut out the back neckline. So I'm going to cut the front neckline like this. So you can see the way I hold it now, so that the scissors cannot cut out the back side of it. So that's why I'm doing it like this. So you can see, so that is the front neckline and we are done with it. So let me take it to the machine and stitch the neckline and also come and show you how to join the body parts. So now is to join the body part now. So I'm going to measure my body now, that is from the butt. So now we'll divide it into two, not into four again. So our butt is 42. This is our butt. So what remains there, we'll count it out. So I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's 2 inches on this side. Coming to this side of it, we'll also place and mark 2 inches. As for the underball that I marked earlier, 13 inches from the shoulder to the underball is 13 inches. This is the line. So we are going to mark it is 40. This is our 40. So we'll also count it what remain out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means we also mark 2 inches for this side. And coming to the other side, 2 inches also. So for the down part, that is for the hips line side, is 44. Remember, that is the measurement we used earlier. So this is 44, that is 22. I also count the one that remains, 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything that we added is 2 inches this way. Coming to the other side, 2 inches. So after marking it now, on this line that we mark, that is where we are going to sew on. So we'll also sew on the line. So let me go and sew it, and then our top will be ready for us to wear out. So let me do that. Our top is ready for us to wear out, as you can see, very lovely. So you can wear it on your jeans, on your skirt, and it's good to go. So this is how we came to achieve this style. So if you don't understand, please why not watch this video again and watch it to the end, so that you can see all the details of this top that we just made now. So you can see. So please have your fabric so that you can cut along with me like this. Also share it for others to see. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.